All right, so this week we covered implicit differentiation. I wanted to go over a problem that we put on the board, something similar to this that you had turned in, and I wanted to go over some of the errors that some of the students were making, so please pay attention. So implicit differentiation, basically anytime we differentiate a y, we use our rules we would differentiate an x, except you also want to include a y prime after each one. So going through the steps here, differentiating sine of xy would become cosine of xy times the product rule of x times y, because it's a chain rule. And so the derivative of x is 1, so we have 1 times y plus the first x times the derivative of y is 1 y prime plus the derivative of y is y prime equals 2x. You're done differentiating. You're done with anything else you got to do. As far as calculus goes, now it's all about algebra and what we're allowed to do algebraically. I cannot take anything here and combine it inside here, folks. This xy is part of the function cosine, and therefore cannot become taken and put inside here. So what I would do is I would distribute this cosine here to y and xy prime, and it would be y times cosine xy plus xy prime cosine xy. And I apologize, my stylus here is sticking to the iPad. Plus y prime equals 2x. Okay? So at this point now, all I want to do is I want to get all my y primes on one side and everything else on the other. So this term needs to go. It needs to be subtracted over to with the 2x. So I would have x y prime cosine xy plus y prime equals 2x minus y cosine xy. And now I can factor out a y prime, and I'm left with x cosine xy plus 1 equals 2x minus y cosine xy. And now divide that whole term, this whole term, divide it over, and we get y prime equals 2x minus y cosine xy divided by x cosine xy plus 1. Take a look. At this point, you want to see if you can simplify the right side, and it doesn't look so. And that'd be your final answer. And again, if you were given a coordinate in the beginning, you'd be able to plug it in here and figure out an exact value for y prime, or you could actually plug in a coordinate at this point as well. I hope this helped. Thank you.